Welcome back to my channel. On today I will show you how I make a delicious tilapia, guys. I'm going to stew it Haitian style. Very simple, delicious. And tilapia, as I mentioned on another video, it's not my go-to fish, but every now and then I do purchase it. I've already cleaned my fish, so I'm going to take piece of lime, fresh lime, and we're going to squeeze it all around like this, because you want to add acid to your fish. Just make sure you can see this. And now what we're going to add to our fish is my Haitian epis. And if you don't know how to make epis, guys, I have two different versions to how to make it. So I'm gonna put about that much in, and I will add this season package. And if you notice, it has no MSG, so I do not use seasonings that have MSG in it. So we're gonna add some like this, not the whole package, maybe half of the package. And what I will also use is just regular black pepper. And I'm just putting some on the top. I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything up just to make sure every part of our fish is seasoned. I will also use some garlic powder. Inside of my epis, I already have some fresh garlic, so we do like garlic in our food. And you could season this however you want. This is how I choose to season it. I will also add some non-MSG adobo, like this. And you don't want to put too much so it will not be salty. And I'm gonna just add just a little bit of onion powder, just a little bit, because our epis have onion in it already. I will add some paprika. You want to add, this is not for flavor, guys, I just added for a little bit of color. All right. I'm gonna add just one more seasoning, guys. I'm gonna use this non-MSG Maggi. And I'm not gonna use much. I'm just gonna use about this much right here, which will go a long way. So I'm gonna take all of this and make sure I have 4 pieces. I'm gonna make sure that every piece has seasoning on it. It smells amazing, 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 guys. And we're gonna allow this to marinate for, I would say, about maybe an hour or 2. And then I'll show you how I would achieve this delicious stew fish. All right, here's our fish. It is nice and seasoned. Like I said, we're gonna allow this to marinate. I'm gonna allow this to marinate, and then I'll come back and show you how I make this delicious stew fish. It's been a couple of hours since my fish is marinating, so now I'm gonna add some oil to my pot like that. Well, to my pan. And I do use grapeseed oil. If you saw that. And to my oil, I will add some tomato paste. I'm just going to smash the tomato paste in because we want to make sure we cook our tomato paste, because you do not want that raw tomato taste. Let this fry a little bit. Let me find my wooden spoon. And let's just switch out to this wooden spoon. And if you notice, if you don't want to burn your tomato paste, and what I will add now is just some tomatoes, because I like to cook my tomatoes also. And just to dissolve the tomato paste a little bit, I'm going to add just a little bit of warm water from my faucet. That's going to help. Okay. Once this is cooked for about a minute or so, then I'll come back and show you what I do next. All right, allow this to cook for a few minutes, guys. Looking good. Now I'm going to go ahead and add our fish in like this. The fish is looking and smelling fabulous. I'm going to let this cook in here for about a couple of minutes before I add any liquid to it to create our sauce. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and flip them over. Now we could just put everything in the oven and just let it bake in the oven. Now I'm going to add my Scotch bonnet right here. We're going to add the same bowl that my fish was marinating in. See how all this nice flavor is still here? So I'm going to just add a little bit of water. You know these fishes do not take long to cook. So I'll have it on a number 6 just to make sure all this nice flavor is getting into our fish. I'm going to cover it, and once it's cooked, I'll come back and show you. All right, guys. Our fish has been cooking for a few minutes, guys. Do you see this delicious, very tasty sauce? Our fish is cooked. What I will do is add some onions, and you can add some bell peppers. And I'll just add the onions like this. And my husband likes tomatoes, so I'm gonna just add just some extra tomatoes in like this. All right, guys. All right, here's our fabulous tilapia. It is delicious, delicious, delicious. Must try recipe. Until next time, please like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe. Delicious.